Hey Selwyn, I think there may still be an issue when dealing with sorting repeating sections. When you're dealing with a row count in a repeating section with a fewer number of rows in subsequent records than you originally had in the first record that was displayed. So let me just show this to you. So here we have, this is my first record. I'll refresh this. Oh, let me show you what's in this sort repeating section invoice ascending button first. All I'm doing here is I'm grabbing the logical row, I'm getting the physical row, and I'm setting that physical row number into the very last physical row that we're looking at, and then I'm sorting based on row number on order field. Order field is just a non-bound field I put into the repeating section. So let's pop back in here. So if I do this, if I can add a row, and that's great. Now I'm going to sort, so 6 pops in there, and I expect that. Now I can add another couple of rows. I expect 8 to pop in, and then they'll be sorted together. So that's great. I can keep going and doing that. But let's refresh this and move to a lesser number of rows. So here we have 2. And if we have a look down below, we'll see that 3, 4, there's 3, 4, and 5 are not visible because we moved into this new record, so that's great. Now I'm going to uh, add a row. So 3 is now visible, 4 is now visible. So I'm going to click this button again. 4 should pop in here, and then everything should sort. You'll notice 5 is down here, not visible. 1, 2, 3, and 4 are visible, so that's good. So I'm going to do this. So there's 4. Now our former 5th row has now popped up into the 4th position because it was blank for order, so that's where it should be. And the 5th row is now visible. So that's fine. But now what I'm going to do is add another row. There's nothing unique about this button. It's got just the standard alpha code in it. So I'm going to do this, and my row kind of disappears. Now I can, there's no, there was a 5th row, but row number 4 is being ignored at this point. And there's no 6th row. Now I can do this again, and a 6th row will be added, but row number 4 is still being ignored, and it should be used, I think. So thanks for having a look.